This individual has made over $60,000. This individual here has made $100,000. This individual over here has made nearly $90,000. The people I have just shown you are making a bunch of money, and thanks to our website. I will share with you later on in this video, you will be able to do the similar, the distinction being that you will not have to invest any work whatever into this. You don't require to be an experienced writer, as anybody can do this, and where you are from doesn't matter one little. If you want to begin making money online, be confident to keep watching. Before we go distant to this video, welcome to the Money Square, where we will introduce you the most up-to-date making money online concepts, tips and techniques, and don't neglect to subscribe to the channel, and blow the like button and press the notification horn so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't skip to leave a comment below. Now let's get around to the video. The very leading website you will need to go over, dudes, is none distinct than Amazon.com, or more particularly you will wanna go over to Amazon Kindle. So either type in Amazon Kindle on Google and unfold it up, or you can almost type in the URL amazon.com/Kindle ebooks. Either way, that will now take you over to the Amazon Kindle store, and it's Amazon that will be paying us to this entirely, and I will demonstrate you how you can make money with Amazon but with zero skills and work involved. Amazon, as practically all of you know, is one of the largest companies in the world today. The website itself is being explored by 2.5 billion people, and the majority of those people come from top nations like the United States. It's thankfulness to the fact that Amazon is so exceptionally famous and that the users are mostly from top nations that you can make a lot of money selling on here, as you will shortly see. With that announced, for those of you who don't know, Amazon Kindle is a segment on Amazon.com where everyday people are selling numerous ebooks, and the process itself is extremely easy and straightforward. You upload an ebook on here, Amazon pushes traffic to the ebook with you performing nothing, and when someone makes a purchase you get paid. Selling ebooks on Amazon, understand it or not, can turn out to be exceptionally profitable. Just take a glance at some of these ebooks I found that are all associated to fitness, and by the way, these are the people I have demonstrated you in that intro as well. This person here is selling the ebook for $12 and has had just over 5,000 ratings. If you do the math, that's approximately $60,000 made in pure passive and inactive income. This ebook here I found as well is selling for a bit inexpensive at $9.50, but has had just over 10,000 ratings. We are discussing about $95,000 made in passive income. And lastly, this ebook is selling for a bit more than the prior two at $14, and has had just over 6,500 ratings, so that's approximately $90,000 made or so. Point being here, that you can make a ton of money selling ebooks. Resist in mind that these are just 3 out of thousands and thousands of examples you yourselves can dig into. People are making lots of money selling ebooks, but even more significant is the fact that you don't have to do any work once you really publish your ebook on here. Amazon will run traffic to your ebook. When somebody makes a purchase you will get paid. You practically do nothing and make money once you release the ebook in question, and this is what makes Amazon so fantastic to make money online, thanks to the fact that it's outstanding beyond understanding. The people I have demonstrated you have in total made like $250,000 or so, which is just mind-blowing, and even more so when you think about the fact that they had done actually zero work since releasing the actual book. The only real problem that most of you will be able to see as well though is that you require an ebook in order to be able to make money on Amazon, and obviously maximum of you watching this are not writers. This is why we require an additional platform, and I will show you that next platform later on in the video. Prior we get to it though, you first need to sign up to Amazon Kindle, so you can literally publish anything. To do so you wanna head over to this URL kdp.amazon.com, and, by the way, on this exact page you can see that it takes just 5 minutes to release your ebook, and it will be on sale on Amazon Kindle within 24 to 48 hours. This is hugely valuable word, because it means you can begin making money with Amazon Kindle right away. With that out of the way, let's get back to what you wanna do on this page. You wanna come back up to here and then click on the sign up button right here on the succeeding page. You'll see that they will expect you to sign in, obviously as you don't have an account. You wanna click on create your KDP account below here. And from there you just enter in a bundle of your information as predicted, of course, your name, email address, and password, which you will wish to retype as confirmation to. When finished, just click on create your KDP account right here. And now that you have your account, you can surely publish ebooks. And as you have seen formally, that clearly does not take too long. So let's now get to the additional platform I indicated a minute or so ago, one where you can obtain the ebooks that you can then resell. The site in question is called buyqualitype.com. On this platform you can find numerous digital products that you have a license to use and even make money off of. You've got articles, videos, and of course most honorably for us, ebooks. What you can do is you can come on here and purchase an ebook for like $10 to $20, then deliver it on Amazon. And as you have watched recently, some people have made thousands upon thousands of dollars selling their ebooks, mainly thankfulness to Amazon's sheer popularity and legitimacy as a website and organization too. And yes, I know what you will be thinking. You will be dissatisfied that this isn't a free strategy, but listen me out here. There are platforms out there where you can surely obtain ebooks for free. The reason I am demonstrating you this website in specific is because the ebooks on other websites are overexposed. You cannot resell them anymore, but that is simply not the case with ebooks on this specific site. Likewise, this site does literally contain free ebooks, and so what I would recommend you guys do is come over to this platform, hover your mouse over this arrow next to free PLR here, and then choose free PLR ebooks. This will now show you a ton of ebooks that you can use free of charge, and you will now wanna publish them on Amazon Kindle. And once you make just enough money to buy an ebook on this website, that is what you will wanna do. In this manner you will not have to invest any of your money upfront, and you will really be able to see that this does work and you won't just invest money in vain. Once you make some sales with those paid ebooks that you purchased, you can then reinvest the money into this website, buy a few more ebooks and list them for sale as well, and in this manner, you can make a plenty of money, even if your ebooks separately don't get a lot of sales. If you have like 10 of them put up for sale all at the similar time, you will be able to make a ton of money, and more honorably as I mentioned previously, doing actually nothing at all. It's that simple. If you're exploring ways to produce money online, and that's it. If you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. If you have additional questions, please feel independent to comment down below. Catch sight of you in the successive video.